Hello, good day and welcome. Today we'll be dealing with University of Abuja Physics Post UTME past question 36. It says a household refrigerator consumes electricity or electrical energy at the rate of 200 watts. If the electricity costs 5 kobo per kilowatt hour, calculate the cost in naira of operating the appliances for 30 days. A 7.20, B 12.0, C 30.0, D 33.33, and E 72. Now the first step is to calculate the amount of electricity he would consume in 30 days. In 30 days. Now our question made us to understand that this particular man consumes energy at the rate of 200 watts. Now if the electricity is 5 kobo per kilowatt hour, now in 30 days, how many hours are in 30 days? We have 30 multiplied by 24, because each day has 24 hours. Now 30 multiplied by 24 will give you 720 hours. Now this question is telling us that this man has consumed 200 watts for what? 720 hours. Now our unit is in kilowatts, so you convert 200 watts to kilowatts. Now 200 watts is the same thing as 0.2 kilowatts when you multiply it by 1000, divide it by 1000, sorry. 200 divided by 1000 will give you 0.2 kilowatts. Now the quantity of electricity he has consumed in kilowatt hour will be 0.2 multiplied by 720. Now 0.2 multiplied by 720 will give you 144 kilowatt hour. Now according to our question, it says 5 kobo for 1 kilowatt hour. Now if 1 kilowatt hour cost 5 kobo, 144 kilowatt hour will cost x kobo. That's 144 will cost x. Now once you cross multiply, you have that x times 1, that's this is 1, this is x, this is 5, this is 144, equals 5 multiplied by 144. Now when you do so, you get 720 kobo. Now you notice that when we're doing our comparison, we used 5 kobo and not 5 naira, but the question asked us to get our answer in naira. So 1 naira equals 100 kobo, so you divide by 100 and then your answer becomes 7.20 naira. Now this is the cost of 200 watt of electricity for 30 days. So the answer is option A, 7.20 naira. Thank you and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel for more videos.